What's up, everyone? I hope you guys are having a great day, enjoying yourselves out there. Today, I'm going to be introducing to you guys the Jordan Low Brushstrokes. You can't really go wrong with these. These are a hit. I definitely think anybody should be able to get their hands on these. These are definitely a hit right here. You can't go wrong with those. The iconic, you know, paint splatter swoosh right there, paint splatter on the toe box, as you could see in the front right there. You can't really go wrong with this shoe right there. It's a very iconic shoe, and they don't make too many of them anymore, but I was able to get my hands on these and I wanted to showcase it to you guys and review it. They're super comfortable. You definitely need to get your hands on a pair, and you need to watch the rest of the video to see exactly what I'm talking about. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any questions, comment, feel free to hit me up in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. The link will be in the description below on where I can find these for you guys at a very cheap and lower price, because that's what I do. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get into the rest of the review. All right, y'all, these shoes didn't come in a box, but they came in this hefty little bag over here, and I'm gonna actually show you exactly how cool they are. The Jordan Lows Brushstrokes, ta-da. And like I said, all my shoes are authentic, so they all come with the certificate of authenticity, as you can see there, without a doubt. There's no doubt about that. So let's get into the shoe in itself. I'll bring the other shoe out as well. And let's go. So that's the inside. That's the outside, just so you guys can see what we got working, what we're working with here. Pretty much, there's the black brushstroke of paint for Nike swoosh on the outside of the shoe. And then there's, in the inside, it has fabric swoosh right over there. And in the back end, as you can see, there's paint splatter all across the shoe. It would be like if Basquiat made a shoe. And that's the Jordan Low Brushstroke in a nutshell. The back in itself has the Air Jordan logo, and the interior. This shoe is super comfy. It's probably one of the best Jordan 1 lows ever made. That's how comfortable they are. The tongue has extra sponge inside of it. The inside is very springy and comfortable, as you can see here. The inside of it is very springy and comfortable. The only little drawback that I do have is a little fabric over here. Creases a lot because it's actually fabric. This is actually leather, some sort of leather on the toe box, but this is fabric, so that actually creases a lot. So in order to prevent that, all you have to do is get a wet rag with iron and steam it down, or if you have a steamer, you could steam it from the inside of the shoe, and that'll actually help prevent that from, actually help fix that situation for you. Not necessarily prevent it, but fix that situation for you. And the tongue in itself has the Air logo and the 23 in the little lace hoop right there. That's how cool these shoes are. And the Jordan 1 Brushstroke mid come in a very salmon color. I didn't really like those. I wasn't really particularly a fan of them. And that's what prompted me to look for other options, and I ended up finding these, to say the least. But these are actually an awesome pair of sneakers, awesome pair of Jordan Lows. I'm not a fan of dunks unless they're special made dunks like Freddy Krueger and stuff of that nature, but these are actually perfect. And at the bottom, as you can see here, I have a little piece of the tag that was in the bottom of the shoe in there still. Let me use the other one. Sorry about that. So There you go. It has a black circular, and it's not like if you squeeze it, it's not bubbling up. It's not like bubble gum, with the Nike logo on the bottom, and obviously all the proper striping and swirls at the bottom of the shoe in itself. And if you have any questions in regards to these shoes, you can ask me definitely in a comment below. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe as well. Hit me up anytime you want about these shoes. I think they're amazing, to say the least. You won't find these shoes anywhere else, to be honest with you, but StockX and eBay and maybe a few other websites out there, because there's very limited of them made. But the reality of that is these shoes are a hit. You should definitely get your hands on a pair. The fluorescent colors, the splatters of orange, black, fluorescent green, you name it. You can't really go wrong with this. This is definitely a hit. Jordan Low Brushstrokes on foot review. Nice clear fluorescent toe box. Here's the sides and the back. We're gonna turn around and show you. There's the back right there. Can't go wrong with these. And I'll show you the interior side. Different type of swoosh on the interior. The swoosh on the outside is the brushstroke. Those are epic shoes. You can get fluorescent laces for those if you choose. And definitely a keeper right there. Out of 10, would give those a strong 9 to be exact. The only thing I don't really like about them is how they, if you look on in front of the laces right there, there's a little bit of creasing there, but it's all good. You could get a crease preventer to actually prevent that from happening. I just like to wear my shoes normally, so that's why it's like that. But that's the cool thing about this shoe in itself. The fluorescent swoosh on the inside and the black pinstripe or brushstroke stripe on the outside. And obviously the little paint splatter on the whole shoe in itself. That's what brings the shoe alive. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Would you get you a pair of these? Let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, peace.